morning, guys. Welcome to another studio vlog. A lot of you guys have been requesting a studio tour, but the office is combined with our guest bedroom, kind of. It's basically just a bed inside of the office, but no one has stayed there except for like 2 times, and it takes up a lot of space, so Nick and I finally decided that we're just gonna get rid of the guest bed. There's also a lot of stuff under these desks that I need to organize, and since Nick and I have sold a lot of wedding decorations recently, we decided to use the extra money to buy some furniture from Ikea. So in a few seconds, past me is going to talk about the plans I have. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm browsing around on Ikea's website because I want to get some more storage units since there are a lot of boxes and sheets of plywood and materials kind of just laying under my desk. So I'm checking these out, and it looks like from the dimensions that my plywood sheets will fit in them. And here's what I'm talking about. I have like this area over here that I can fit the plywood sheets, and that's fine. Like, I don't mind putting the ones that I use the most often there, but the extras I just have down here under the desk. They're just like laying here. I think there's like a couple back here that fell. And then I have like a box of tote bags. And it's just all kind of out, and it looks really cluttered down here. So I feel like the Alex drawer would fit here perfectly. It's at least 26 wide and 26 tall, so I know it'll fit, but I think it'll help if I can just put everything away and make it look a lot neater. And then I think I'm going to get one for this area too, because I have like all my jewelry boxes, mugs, a bunch of supplies, like extra shipping envelopes, and like all of the wood slices that I use for ornaments. And I just think that if I put an Alex here and can organize everything, it's just so stressful to have all of these boxes here. It just doesn't look appealing. So hopefully that'll help a lot. So I'm gonna take you guys to Ikea with me to pick those up.
We're getting this one because it's awesome.
No, I think this one would be a really good packing station because these are really deep. I can put like jewelry boxes in here. I'm kind of tempted to get this too. Put all the stickers. I don't know.
And it's level. That's
Oh yeah.
one of the main reasons.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have to like crouch down a lot in my videos when I'm packing on the usual desk I pack on, so this would be a lot better.
It's not gonna look the greatest with boxes under it.
Yeah.
Do you want to put like something under it, like an actual storage thing?
I don't think so. I think these bars make it kind of hard to put a storage thing. I think I'll have so much storage already with the 2 Alexes I'm getting and the whatever the other unit's called.
Sure.
Need help? He actually had a bunch. You ready?
Are you waiting for me?
Chico! You want your bowling? Nyla, what you doing?
Fabulous family. To my right, I have my cool cousin Brandon, my super cute cousin Micaiah, my buff and handsome brother-in-law Brandon, and my crazy cousin Frank, aka Hollywood Frankie G.
You like a butts? What are you doing? If you act like that, I'm gonna include this footage.
Who are you talking to?
Nick! Stop being silly. What are you doing?
What?
Why are you being a creep over there?
I didn't do anything.
You're being a creeper.
Do you need help?
Why don't you want to be in my videos?
I know. You want to be in the videos?
You better play video games? Really, it looks like it.
I'm doing some work.
You're doing work. Oh my god, I'm literally putting it in backwards.
Why didn't you get that like years ago?
I know, that's what I'm saying. Woo! How satisfying. So I'm still trying to tidy up, but I just wanted to show you guys how much better it looks. I love them. I was able to fit all my jewelry boxes in them. Put some more jewelry boxes and some mugs here. Fit the rest of my mugs here. The top few are still empty. I'm still trying to figure out where exactly I want to put everything because we were gonna do another unit where the bed is, and it's not available. We're not sure how to order it. We might need to go to the store and order it because it's not letting us order online, but in the store they said we had to order online, so don't know how to get it. But in this unit we fit a bunch of material for the glow forge. There's more under here. I just kind of threw them in here, so I still need to like categorize them, maybe put like wood here and acrylic and other items under here. I fit all of my ring boxes in here. I put a lot of my wood slices for wood ornaments in here. And then the bottom two are still empty, but oh, just kidding. This one has Baltic birch. So yeah, I like them. And once we finish up setting up the table we got and getting rid of the bed and just setting up that area the way that I want it, I'll do a full tour of the entire workspace. Quick intermission, but I was testing out these little rainbow earrings, dangle earrings. I just painted them these colors because I was trying to match like the look of this artwork right here. But my idea is to offer DIY kits to make earrings, like for you guys to make your own earrings. And it would be something like this where I just engrave like the guidelines and then you can paint it yourself, whatever colors you want. And I would include the jump rings, like all the findings, so then you can make the earring yourself. And also, if you saw the video where I made the macrame earrings, I was thinking of offering kits for those. So like these. I was just waiting to get fancier findings, and I did. So I got these gold ones, and I also have them in stainless steel. So let me know if you guys would be interested in kits. And I would provide like the wood cutouts, like maple, cherry, or walnut, and then whatever color macrame cords you want, or just several sets so you can mix and match however you want. So let me know if you guys like that idea, because I really want to offer something like that where you can create your own earrings. Well, that's it for today's studio vlog, guys. I only have like 7 orders because I actually got ahead on a lot of them this week because every Friday I've been bombarded with a bunch of orders. So decided to get ahead so I could enjoy my Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye. Which way do I wave? It looks weird this way. But this is how I would do it if I was facing you. Whatever. Bye, guys.